Hi everyone, it's Nathan from Cruxpool and I hope you're doing amazing as usual. If you're here, it's because you have a mining rig ready or you have GPUs at the ready and that you want to know how to start mining really fast. It's easy and I know you don't want to waste time, so let's get started. The first step is that you have to create a wallet. I know that a lot of you guys already have a wallet and already know what it is. But if you're a beginner in the world of cryptocurrencies, then you will need a wallet address to receive your earnings. Many wallets are available out there. You can take the one you want for the coin you want to mine. You have Trust Wallet, MyCrypto, Exodus, MyEther Wallet. You also have the Beam Wallet and Ravencoin Wallet. We have tutorials to set up all of these wallets on our website, and all the links are in the description below. So take your time, set up your wallet, and then come back for the second step. The second step is that you need to choose a mining software depending on the coin you want to mine and depending on your GPU. And for this, I made you a board of the mining software compatibility that shows the compatibility between the GPU brands, NVIDIA and AMD, and the coins we have on Cruxpool, so Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Beam, and Ravencoin. Just download the one you want, all the links are in the description as well, and the tutorials on how to set up these miners as well. So the third step is how to set up your mining software, and this is going to be pretty much the same for all the different softwares that I just talked about. You need to find a batch file, whichever you want, whatever the name of the batch file, it doesn't really matter. You right click on it, you select edit, and here you will paste your custom command line. Now, how do you get this command line? It's super easy. We've made all the work for you. Just go in the description, click on the mining command generator link, and you will land on this page. Here, you can select the cryptocurrency you want to mine, enter your wallet address or your Cruxpool username if you have an account. Type the name of your worker, the mining software you want to use, and your operating system. All you need to do is to copy and paste the command line you got with the generator in your batch file, close it, double click on it, and watch it start. And there you go, your rig is mining. That's it for today. I hope this tutorial helped you out to set up your mining. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask us in the comments or join our Discord server. We have a really active and helpful community, so we are waiting for you. Wishing you a happy mining. Take care, everyone.